Welcome back to Diabetes Food Truth. Today we are giving you a clear and practical guide on how to lower your HbA1c fast. Simple steps, science-based, and easy to start right away if your HbA1c has crept up, if you feel stuck, or if you want better control in 2026. This video will help you take back control quickly and safely. Up next, let's begin with the rule that has the biggest impact. Focus on your daily sugar exposure. Your HbA1c is a measurement of your average blood sugar over time. So if you want to lower it fast, the quickest way is to reduce the foods that push your blood sugar too high. This does not mean starving yourself. It means lowering the amount of sugar and fast carbs your body has to process each day. White bread, pasta, rice, fruit juice, cereal, cakes, pastries, and large portions of potatoes. These foods spike blood sugar fast, and repeated spikes raise your HbA1c. When we reduce them, HbA1c starts to fall. Moving on now, the most important eating rule for lowering HbA1c. Protein first. At every meal. Protein is the anchor that stabilizes your blood sugar. When you eat protein before carbs, your glucose rises slower, your insulin response is smoother, and your average blood sugar improves. This is one of the simplest changes you can make, and it works quickly. So in 2026, start meals with eggs, chicken, turkey, fish, cottage cheese, Greek yogurt, or a protein shake. This one habit lowers spikes and improves hunger control. This brings us to movement, because this is often misunderstood. Use movement as a glucose tool. Movement is not about burning calories. Movement is about lowering blood sugar. Your muscles act like glucose storage tanks. When you move, even for 1 minute, your muscles pull glucose from your bloodstream. This is why movement snacks are powerful. After each meal, stand up, walk for 1 or 2 minutes, climb the stairs, stretch, move your legs. These tiny actions lower your post-meal glucose, and when done daily, they bring down your HbA1c. Up next, the secret that improves both weight loss and HbA1c. Create a smaller eating window. You do not need a strict fasting plan, but a shorter eating window helps your body lower glucose between meals. Try this in 2026. Eat your first meal later in the morning. Finish dinner a little earlier. Allow your body a longer break from food overnight. This helps reduce insulin levels. And lower insulin levels support a lower HbA1c. This brings us to the topic nobody talks about enough. Fix your evening routine to lower morning blood sugar. High morning readings keep HbA1c elevated. Most people think this comes from dinner, but it often comes from late-night eating. If you want to lower your HbA1c fast, try to stop eating 1 or 2 hours before bed. Choose a balanced dinner. Protein, vegetables, healthy fats, and fewer carbs at night. This supports better overnight glucose, and better overnight glucose leads to a lower HbA1c. This is where many people go wrong, the hidden blocker you must pay attention to. Manage sleep and stress. Poor sleep raises cortisol. Cortisol pushes your blood sugar up, and this makes HbA1c improvement harder. Stress does the same thing. Stress hormones raise glucose. You cannot completely remove stress, but you can lower its effects. Try simple tools, breathing exercises, walking after work, wind-down routines in the evening, reducing screen time before bed. When sleep and stress improve, your HbA1c responds quickly. Now, let's bring everything together. Your fast HbA1c improvement plan. Reduce sugars and fast carbs. Start meals with protein. Use movement snacks after eating. Create a smaller eating window. Finish food earlier at night. Protect sleep. Lower stress. Repeat consistently. You do not need perfection, but you do need a pattern that supports stable blood sugar. And when you follow this structure, your HbA1c starts to fall. Lowering your HbA1c is not about doing everything perfectly. It is about doing the right things consistently. A few small changes make a big difference. Protein first, movement after meals, better evenings, better sleep, and lower daily sugar exposure. Your HbA1c can improve faster than you think, and we are here to help you every step of the way. If you want us to create a full 2026 HbA1c meal plan or a complete shopping list, tell us in the comments, and we will make it for you. Thanks for watching Diabetes Food Truth. Diabetes,